Hello dear student. Today start from the new topic name. The name of a new topic is a highest common factor. Okay. Highest common factor denoted by the short form in the form of HCF. It means the HCF will be highest common factor. Now this example is solved by the three step. First of all, first step is what? First we have to find out the now listen here, the first one example is find out the highest common factor of 18 and 24. The first step is what? First of all, find out the factor of number, two numbers. This is the pair of number 18 and 24. Then find out the common factor, and then last step is you have to find out the highest common factor. It means that this is our H, C and F. Now one by one example solve it. Now the first one example is what? Find the highest common factor of 18 and 24. It means that we have to find out the factor of 18 and the factor of 24. This is the first step. Next, we have to find out the common factor of these two pair of number. This is your 18 and 24, and then we have to find out the HCF. First one is what? The factor of 18. It means what? The factor of 18 is this is your 1. Definitely 1 is always divided. 2 is also divided. Why? Because 2 9 ja 18. Then next is what? 3 is also a factor of 18, because 3 6 are 18. Next is what? 6 is also a factor, because 6 3s are 18. 7 is not a factor of 18, because 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14 and 7 3 ja 21. Okay, here will be 18 is not come here. Then last one is what? This is our 9. 9 is also a factor of 18, because 9 2 ja 18, and this is our 18 is also a factor of 18 definitely. Okay, it means that the factor of 18 is what? Here will be 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Next we have to find out the factor of 24. Factor of 24, it means what? Here will be 1 is also 2, definitely 3 4 4 6 are 24, 6 4 are 24 also, 8, because 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24, and last one is 24. It means that the factor of 24 is what? This is over 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 14. Okay, this is our all our factor of 24. Okay, now next step, this is the first step. Now next step, you have to find out the common factor of both the pair of number. The common factor of the both pair of number is what? Here you go. Now listen here, factor is already find out. Now we have to find out the common factor of both the number is what? This is our 1 2, here will be 3 and 6. This is our common factor of the given pair of number. This is our second step. And then last we have to find out the highest common factor. Okay, this is our topic name is what? To find the highest common factor. Here will be HCF is what? Already find out the common factor. This is our 1 2 3 and 6, and then we have to find out the highest common factor is what? Definitely here will be 6. 6 is the highest number, largest number about a common factor. Then we have to find the highest common factor. The answer is what? 6. 6 is the correct answer. Okay, now the definitely we have got example number B, C, D is are based on the same example. We have to find the highest common factor. One by one example explain. Second one example is what? Find the highest common factor of 20 and 32. First we have to find out the factor of 20, and then we have to find out the factor of 32. Okay, first one is what? The factor of 20 is our, here will be 1 2, because 2 times are 20, 4 5 are 20, 4 is also come here, 5 5 4 are 20, here will be 10, 10 is also 20, 10 2 are 20, and last one is what? 20. 20 is also a factor of 20. It means that the factor of 20 is our 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Next, 32. 32 is also a factor is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. And next step is what? This is the first step. First step is what? We have to find the factor of each pair of numbers, and then we have to find out the common factor. Common factor of both the pair of number is what? Here will be 1, 2 and 4. Okay, this is the second step. This is the common factor, and then we have to find out the HCF. The full form of HCF is what? Highest common factor. Okay, the highest common factor of 20 and 32 is our 4. Here will be 4 is the correct answer. Now next, start from the C example. 18 and 27. Find the highest common factor of 18 and 27. Here will be followed by this one by one step. First, we have to find out the factor of 18 and 27. Then we have to find out the factor of common factor. And this is the last step is what? Here will be HCF. This is the highest common factor. The factor of 18 is our, here will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Definitely 1 is also come here because the 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18 because the 18 is already discussed. Okay, now next we have to find out the factor of 27 is here will be 1 is also there because the 3 9s are 27, and next 9 3s are 27 and last one is 27 is also a factor. It means that the factor of 27 is here will be 1, 3, 9 and 27. Next step, we have to find out the common factor of the pair of number. This is our 18 and 27 is the common factor. We have to, the common factor is what? Here will be 1, 3 and 9 is a common factor of 18 and 27. And next step we have to find out the highest common factor. The highest common factor of 18 and 27 is your answer is what? Definitely 9. Here will be 9 is the highest common factor of 18 and 27. And next example number D. Find the highest common factor of 48 and 60. First step you have to find out the factor of 48, find out the factor of 60, find out the factor of common factor of both the pair of number. Okay, and then we have to find out the HCF. Here will be HCF, here will be highest common factor. Factor of 48 is our 1, definitely 2 is also divided, here will be 2 is also come here, 3 is also come here, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. This is all over the factor of 48. Then we have to find out the factor of 60. Same way, here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. This is all over a factor of 60. Okay, and then we have to find out the common factor of 48 and 60. The common factor of 48 and 60 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This is our common factor of 48 and 60. Then last step we have to find out the highest common factor of both the number is here will be 48 and 60 is here will be definitely 12 because 12 is the largest number, and this is our correct answer is what? 12. Here will be 12 is the highest common factor of both the number. This is 48 and 60. And this is our last A1 example. This is our E example. Find the highest common factor of 75 and 90. Find the first one factor is what? A factor of 75, and then we have to find out a factor of 90. Factor of 75 is 1, definitely divided. 3 is also divided because 3 is also come here. 5 is also definitely divided. 15 is also definitely divided. Okay, and 25 is also divided, is also factor of 75 because 25 is 3. You get the answer is was 75. Next one is last one is was 75 because 75 is 1. This is 75 is also factor of 75. Next we have to find out the factor of 90. Definitely your answer is what here will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30 and 90. Last one is what 90. This is all our factor of 90. Then next step we have to find out the common factor of both the number. It means that we have to find out the common factor of 75 and 90. Definitely we have to find the common factor of 75 and 90. We have to choose the 1, 3, 5 and 15. This is our common factor of both the pair of number. This is our 75 and 90. Then last we have to find out the last step. This is last we have to find out the highest common factor. The highest common factor is what 15. Here will be 1, 3, 5, 10. This is our common factor. And then we have to find out the highest common factor is what 15. Definitely 15. Here will be 15 is the correct answer. And the node is already provided. Here will be HCF denoted by highest common factor. These all our 5 example is are based on to find the highest common factor. It means that first we have to find out the factor of number, factor of pair of number. Then second one step, you have to find out the common factor, and last one is we have to find out the highest common factor. It means you have to denote it by HCF. This is our all our 3 step is followed by a highest common factor. I hope everyone student understood how can we find the highest common factor. Okay, and the next topic start from the next OBS video, and have a nice day.